Well, Bridget is very consistent. I just have to try to be more consistent, get every single ball back. She's a tough one, and it was a very good match. Very close. As you can see, it was in a tiebreaker, so it was a good match. I think I was a bit more consistent, but I mean, it was still pretty even. 6-3, 6-3 is even.
I think I was a little bit slow at the blocks today. I allowed her to get her way in that first set. I had to come back on the second, and the tiebreaker I fought back, but it just wasn't enough. You know, this draw was a really tough draw. We had in the amateurs the best of the best, you know, so kudos to all the ladies. It's the toughest I've ever had to play to get to a final. Yesterday I played a grueling three sets in the boiling sun, and I mean, my opponent, we threw everything in the kitchen sink at each other. And come back here today, I really didn't even think I had enough. I said to my husband, I'm coming here out of formality. But I think I gave it a good effort. Yeah.